Hi everyone, welcome to the DIY section of electronicsforyou.com.
Have you ever thought what if you have extra hand with your body and able to control it using your brains and your thoughts? You have a third hand attached to your body and you can use it like a natural hand. Army of hundreds of robots and you will able to connect your mind with those robots and control it using your thought. Does it sound interesting? Today we are introducing a technology that helps you to control any prosthetic robot, prosthetic hand attached to your body, and you can control it using a mind, like a natural hand. Today we are introducing a prosthetic robot hand that can be controlled using your mind and you can control it using your thought. Our prosthetic hand reads the brain waves like alpha, beta, theta, delta waves of your mind that is generated during the thought process of mind, and it uses these waves to control the fingers and joints of the robot. You can connect your mind with the prosthetic hand using EEG sensor and able to control them using your thoughts. We can learn a lot from this, like what is EEG sensor and how we can read our brain waves using the sensor and how we can control a prosthetic hand or robot hand using the brains. It sounds so cool, so let's try this. First, we need to do the swapping of following component: a EEG sensor, a Raspberry Pi, a prosthetic hand or a robot hand, 5 servo motors, and some jumper wires. First, we need to make the code that captures the brain data and reads our brain waves using the sensor. Then our code processes these brain waves like alpha, beta, gamma, theta, and the waves generated during the processing of mind, and use them to control the fingers, joints of the prosthetic hand or a robot hand. Now let's try this project. In the video you can see I am thinking of moving my first finger of the prosthetic hand, and the robot will able to move the same hand as well. Now I am thinking to move my wrist of robot hand, and the robot hand is also moving the wrist as according to my thought. You can share this video with friends, and you can also check the link in description below to know more about this technology.
We are now producing videos of all projects we are publishing in Electronics For You magazine and on this website electronicsforyou.com, so that not only do you get to see their proof of concept, but through the video we aim to make it easier to understand the circuit. For more interesting DIY projects, keep visiting electronicsforyou.com. Thank you.